Thank you to the brand for sending me this beautiful keyboard. I'm so excited to give this a try. Look at these beautiful colors. I love that green with the rose gold. It's super aesthetic and it has a really nice sound to it when you tap the keys. I'm excited to try this. I think it's gonna elevate my office space, so let's plug it in and see how it works. So it came nicely packaged, comes with your cord and then your adapter here. So I just have the adapter plugged in. The cord just plugs in right in the back here. And then, oh my gosh, look at that. So cool. And then on the back too, there's an option to lift these up if you want a little bit of elevation when you're typing. So on the right here, you have this knob which controls the lighting. So you can have it bright or turned off. And then these buttons here are for playing, pausing, skipping music. It has the numbers on the side, which I really like. My old keyboard didn't have that. And it's a really big size, actually. It's pretty long. You can see like the size of my hand. And again, that like, here, I'll turn the light on. That sound, like that's a good sound. You know, when you just get into it typing and you just want to hear that clinkety clack. Really cool. Overall, I'm so excited to use this. I really love the look of it. And if you guys are looking for an aesthetic keyboard that works well, has a nice sound, has the lights going on, this is a winner. Highly recommend.